Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting, and sometimes confusing, topics out there, cryptocurrency. You've probably heard the term tossed around, but what exactly is cryptocurrency, and why is it such a big deal? Well, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what crypto is, how it works, and why it's becoming more and more important in our digital world. So, let's jump right in. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. This means that it's super secure, hard to counterfeit, and nearly impossible to manipulate. Unlike traditional money, which is issued by governments and banks, cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized network using something called blockchain technology. But what is blockchain? Well, imagine it as a public digital ledger or record of transactions, but instead of being controlled by a single entity like a bank or government, it's maintained by thousands of computers all around the world. These computers are called nodes, and they work together to verify every transaction. Whenever someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, the transaction is verified and recorded in a block. These blocks are then linked together to form a chain, hence, the name blockchain. Each block contains a list of transactions, and once it's added to the chain, it's permanent and can't be changed. This is what makes cryptocurrency so secure and transparent. Okay, so we know what crypto is and how it works. But what about the most popular types of cryptocurrencies? You've probably heard of Bitcoin. It's the OG of the crypto world. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer digital currency that doesn't rely on banks. Instead, it allows people to send money directly to one another anywhere in the world, with no middleman involved. And, since it's decentralized, no government or institution can control it. But Bitcoin isn't the only game in town. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there. The second most popular is Ethereum. Ethereum isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's a whole platform that allows developers to create decentralized applications, or dApps, on its blockchain. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. So, no lawyer or middleman is needed to make sure the contract is followed. It's all automated. And then we have altcoins. This term refers to any cryptocurrency that's not Bitcoin. Some popular altcoins include Litecoin, Ripple, XRP, and Cardano. Each of these has its own unique features, like faster transaction speeds, lower fees, or better scalability. For example, Litecoin is often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold, because it's very similar to Bitcoin, but with faster block generation times and a different hashing algorithm. Ripple, XRP, on the other hand, focuses on cross-border payments and making it easier for banks to transfer money across borders quickly and cheaply. So, why should you care about cryptocurrency? Well, there are a few reasons. For one, crypto is a store of value. People use it as an investment, hoping the value of their coins will increase over time. It's kind of like digital gold. Bitcoin, for example, has seen incredible growth over the past decade, attracting investors, institutions, and even some major companies who are adopting it as part of their portfolios. But beyond investing, cryptocurrency also has the potential to revolutionize industries like banking, healthcare, supply chain management, and even voting systems. Imagine a world where you don't need a middleman to process payments or manage contracts. That's what crypto promises. Of course, there are also risks. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means their prices can change rapidly. It's important to be aware of the risks before jumping in. And don't forget about regulation. Since crypto operates outside of traditional financial systems, governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate it. Some countries have embraced crypto, while others have banned or heavily regulated it. So, it's important to stay informed on the legal landscape in your country. Alright, I know this is a lot to take in, but here's the takeaway: cryptocurrency is more than just a digital coin. It's a new way of thinking about money, finance, and technology. It's decentralized, secure, and has the potential to change how we interact with the digital world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content coming your way. Drop a comment below with any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're already into crypto, let me know which coin you're most excited about. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.